Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl here, and welcome back to today's video. Kindly, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. Actually, I want to raise this case out. Some people can subscribe to the channel, and then after the next day you find that they have actually unsubscribed. So what is the use of subscribing again and unsubscribing? What does all that mean? Yeah, but anyways, I'm grateful for those ones who are still with me. I'm so grateful. And yeah, just I'm very happy. And so in today's video, actually, I'm going to be sharing with you how to get rid of dark elbows. Yeah, I mean elbows here. You know, there are so many people who have dark, like really black elbows. Like even if you scratch it with your finger, you see that part is actually coming out, like the dirt is coming out. All is the cause of all that is because sometimes when we when you are showering, we don't attend to ourselves very well, like some parts of our bodies. Yeah, there are so many parts that we don't attend. You find the elbow, someone is bathing and actually takes shower quickly, and boom, you're moved out of the bathroom without scrubbing even the knees. You find some people don't even scrub their knees. They just find they do the shower, then they just get out of the shower. So today, in case you don't know, that even actually some people, even when they're smearing the oil, they do smear the oil only for just like when they are very sharp, like they are in hurry. Okay, so they hurry to go, and then they to go where they want to go. So today's video, I'm sharing with you how to get rid of those black elbows, those dark elbows. So you can see my elbow is very clean. Yeah, this is actually the remedy that I've used for some time now, and it is actually helping me. And I said, let me share it out with you. You can see how mine is very soft. You make it soft, not very hard. Yeah, so you see, very soft. Yeah, so to get rid of the elbows, black elbows, you need Colgate. Actually, I'm using Sensodyne. So you can use any Colgate that you have and to get rid of that. So let's get into it, but first make sure you subscribe to the channel and share the video. You just take a small amount of it like that. Yeah, just a small amount of it. What you're going to do is, you see, this part is the most part that is always black. So you're going to scrub that part. Yeah, scrub it, I mean, rub it there, rub it on that dark part. Eh, rub it there. Actually, this is not really a bad thing to use. You can even use it daily. Even before you go and take a shower, you use Colgate, you smear on your elbow, and then you leave it for like 15 minutes to dry. It depends what time you put it. When it dries, that's when you're going to actually rinse it off, or the time when you're going to take a shower. You understand? Or even you can use a brush. You see a toothbrush that you're not using, you just take it, you scrub it here, and take your time, just slowly. If you use this like 3 times, it will be finished. And this, you see, Colgate will remove that black skin permanently. Yeah, permanently. And it does not, it will just leave your skin very soft. Okay, so that is my elbow. That is what I've been using to clear my dark elbows, even to the knees. If you have black knees, like, you see, most especially for brown people, I don't know why that happens to them. Like, they bathe, they are very clean, but you find that their elbows is very black. it will leave that elbow part black. I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know why, but if you've ever seen brown people, not all of them have those black elbows, but also sometimes it happens to those people who are bleaching. Like if you're bleaching your skin and you find that that bleaching cream will make other parts of the body brown, and then most especially the knees will remain black, the elbows will remain black, either the neck, either the fingers will remain black. So if you want to clear all that, all you need to have is Colgate. Buy Colgate. It will clear all that and you will be unique. Yes, you will be unique. Trust me. If you try this out, it will actually work for you. This is a Colgate that I'm using. Sometimes I can use actually herbal Colgate, but for me, I use any Colgate that I get. But most especially, my favorite one is herbal Colgate. So you can buy any Colgate that you want, of your choice that you like, and then you use it. It will work. With this, you leave it to dry, and then we get back to you. Okay, see you. So we are back. Our Colgate is actually dry, very dry. You see, when it dries, there's a way you're going to feel. Yeah, so it is dry. Now let me show you how it is. Remember, I'm black, I'm not brown. Can you see that? How nice, smooth it will leave your elbow. Take a look. Very nice. If you do that 3 times, you will, trust me, it will work for you. Trust me, because this is what has actually helped me with my elbows. You can see that it's very nice. So that is all for today's video. I hope you're going to try this out, and I know it will work for you. If it worked for me, then it's going to work for you. So instead of you going to buy those creams, the scrubs, things like that, just do with this remedies that we simple the things that we have at home. They just work. Okay, the only thing is we have to try. If you find it's not working, you drop it, get another thing. If you find it's working, you continue with it. Okay, don't just try one and you find that it has not worked for you and then you just leave it like that. No, it's not good. It's not good, most especially for ladies, to have black elbows. It's not good. So that's all for today's video. Kindly subscribe, share, like, and comment. I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.